So it is 2022 and I first purchased this vacuum back in 2018. I loved everything about it, the design, how simple it is, the canister and the hose, and it's got a retractable cord, so that's pretty awesome. And to put that back, you just press this, it just takes it in, this starts it, and this is an easy lift and turn. So I taped this up because it has a vent in there. Some people like that. I didn't. If I was to ask them to maybe upgrade a version of this, they could improve it by having one of these hoses actually get pushed back in, so it's not hanging out, or instead of doing that, having to take this off. But either way, I love it. Hopefully you'll love it too. So I got a mess to clean up here. I've been doing some woodworking.